Hello friends, welcome to the lecture Web Application Security. In this lecture we will learn what are application vulnerabilities and why application security is needed. As with any new class of technology, web applications have brought with them a new range of security vulnerabilities. The set of most commonly encountered defects have evolved somewhat over time. New attacks have been convinced that were not considered when an existing application was developed. Some problems have become less prevalent as awareness of them has increased. New technologies have been developed that have introduced new possibilities of exploitation. Some categories of flaws have largely gone away as the result of changes made to web browser software. In fact, the majority of web applications are insecure despite the widespread usage of SSL technology and the adoption of regular PCI scanning. VAPT consultants have tested hundreds of web applications in recent years and found that still many of web applications are insecure. Most common vulnerabilities, broken authentication. This category of vulnerability encompasses various defects within the application's login mechanism, which may enable an attacker to guess weak passwords, launch a brute force attack, or bypass the login. Broken access control. This involves cases where the application fails to properly protect access to its data and functionality, potentially enabling an attacker to view others' user-sensitive data held on the server or carry out privileged action. Next one is SQL injection. This vulnerability enables an attacker to submit crafted input to interfere with the application interaction with backend databases. An attacker may be able to retrieve arbitrary data from the application, interfere with its logic, or execute commands on the database server itself. Next one is cross-site scripting. This vulnerability enables an attacker to target other users of application, potentially gaining access to their data, performing unauthorized action on their behalf, or carrying out other attack against them. Next one is information leakage. This involves cases where an application divulges sensitive information that is of use to an attacker in developing an assault against the application through defective error handling or other behavior. Next one is cross-site request forgery. This law means that application users can be introduced to perform unintended action on the application within their user context and privilege level. The vulnerability allows a malicious website visited by a victim user to interact with the application to perform action that the user did not intend. So friends, these were some common threats, common vulnerabilities to an application. We will discover some more vulnerabilities related to OWASP Top 10 SANS 25 in further lectures.